Hey guys, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say hello to all the new subscribers and say thank you for watching my drone and RC videos. Welcome to the family. I appreciate every one of you guys. So let's get on with today's giveaway. I reached the 700 subscriber milestone a few days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. So to celebrate, let's do the giveaway from the last entry video. You guys voted for the drone the most, so that is what we are giving away today. We're going to give this drone away to somebody. Their name is in the title, so if you see your name in the title, you know you already won, but we're still going to do the video anyway. So let's use the random comment generator to pick the winner from the comments on the entry video. Be sure to stick around and watch this video all the way to the end. I have a couple important announcements at the end of the video I want to get to. So let's see who is going to win this toy drone. Here we go. Check out this random comment generator footage and let's see who wins. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to pick a winner out of the comments from that video. I already got the video, this video right here. I already got it set in right here. And I click filter duplicate users so that you only have one chance per user. And so it's all ready. So now what we got to do is go down here and click start, and we're gonna pick a winner. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Ryan Graham, you're the winner. His comment was do the Patreon. Good luck, Ryan. Good news, Ryan. I have the Patreon. The link's in the comments. If you want to sign up, I'd appreciate it. There we go. If your name is Ryan Graham, get a hold of me through Facebook. My name is Kenny Hale on Facebook, so I can get your address and send your prize. All right, congratulations, Ryan Graham. As you guys seen, Ryan Graham was the winner. If that is you, please contact me through Facebook. My name on Facebook is Kenny Hale. I will need to get your address so I can send you your prize free of charge. It's all free. You get this drone, you don't have to pay nothing. It'll come in the mail for you. Okay, now on to the announcements that I had that I was talking about earlier. First thing I wanted to announce was this video is also the 800 subs giveaway entry video. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway, that once I hit 800 subs, is comment on this video and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on. So the giveaway this time is this waterproof Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to give away this waterproof Bluetooth speaker on this video. So if you want to have a chance to win this, just comment down below. And once I hit 800 subs, I'll pick a winner out of those comments. Ring that bell, turn the notifications on, subscribe, and support the dream. Once I hit 800 subs, I will pick a winner out of the comments on this video. The last thing I wanted to say was I have made a Patreon page. The link will be down below in the description for my Patreon for anyone that wants to sign up. I will be doing some big things over there, and you will get early access and a lot more content and some other special things I have planned for Patreon. So please support the channel and go sign up. Link in description. I made a Patreon. I've got some videos on there. I'm just getting it started right now, but I plan to do much bigger stuff with it. Polls, one-on-one fly-in. You guys can pick my video, or you guys can do a poll. And on the giveaways in the future, when I do custom built, because I plan on doing custom built RC trucks and giving them away. Well, on the Patreon might be where I do the poll where you guys choose what I build. You know, what electronics to put in it, what platform to start with, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I have a lot of big plans with my Patreon, so please support the channel and go sign up. I guess that's going to do it for today. Thank you to everyone participating in the giveaways. If you are the winner, congratulations, and please contact Kenny Hale on Facebook. That's me. So I can send your prize to you. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to comment for a chance to win this prize right here, this waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Once I hit 800 subs, comment on this video and you'll have a chance to win this. That's going to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Later. Congratulations to the winner, Ryan Graham. Contact me on Facebook. Later.